Are you excited to meet your new home? Excited? You want to go see Daddy? Okay. Oh! Wow! What do you think? What do you think? A lot of stuff in today, so my camera died, so that's why I'm vlogging on my phone. But I've got my car packed with all my clothes, the bar stools, and just some little stuff for my house that we needed. But yeah, so excited.
2 hours later.
What do you have to say?
Sucks. I'm tired.
Where are we going, Ed? Where are we going? We are taking the mattress over on top of the car. Let's see how this goes. Wooden spoons. I just want to show you. Oh, we got an actual spatula. We got a tasty one from Walmart. My sick boyfriend picked it up. Now we have an actual spatula to spatula our eggs up. Oh, you got a chopper. I've never had one of these either. I've always wanted one. We have a mini cutting board. That comes in handy when you need to cut like baby carrots. Oven mitts. We have a mini strainer for berries. I'm gonna put my hair up because it's gonna hot. Well, these for like cooling, you know. Another low drying rack. Looks like a butter. Is this a butter knife? Butter knife? But it's got the ridges, so I'm confused. Is that a butter knife? Is this a butter knife? Okay, same thing. Because you only really spread butter. Sometimes you spread cream cheese. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. Is this a homemade ice cream scoop? Or something else?
No, that's for like
butter?
batter.
Oh, cookie dough.
Yeah.
Like a cookie dough scoop. I can make our healthy chocolate chip cookies. Yum. Oh, here's a bigger scoop. Got a whisk. What's this? Oh. Really old fashioned. Lid popper. A really cute homemade scooper. Never have too many ice cream scoops. Tasty ice cream scoop. Homemade ice cream scoop. Double scoop. You want a double scoop for 50 cents more? Oh, very nice. This is a carrot peeler. I like those. Spatula. Stick it, put it. Hey, look! You know you have one of these? Your little measuring cup for your creamer now. He uses this to dip up his creamer. You know, thing. I love kitchen stuff. I'm gonna show you our glass bowl. Little mixing bowl. That's helpful when we make salad and maybe need to marinate some meat. You know, got it. Got the bowls to do so. Bailey's mom gave us this olive oil thing. I'm very proud of it. I'm very excited about that. An oil and vinegar thing. Our mug cabinet. So glass mugs from Target. Brought them from my house. They're just cute little mason jars. Glass cups from IKEA. A sparkly mug from Deanna. Mom. He got a cute little gray mug from Walmart. This is our Keurig Elite. Towels. There's me. This is just a cute little setup, and this is the tub bath mat.
My new organic electrolyte drink. Hey guys, send me Nintendo Switch money. Broke.
So this is a little living room setup right now.
2,000 likes. We'll give away a Nintendo Switch, not mine.
Oh.
Comment and subscribe.
That is the TV on the ground because Bailey dropped the ball and didn't order a TV stand in time.
It's okay guys, I took care of everything. I'm the reason we're here.
This is our cute little marble table though. We got it from Wayfair. These were my babysitting families. They gave them to me. This is not going to be here, trust me. And here's like the kitchen. And when you come over here, it's like utilities, and then we're still like setting up like how we want the pantry and stuff, but I'll show you guys that when it's completed. This is the bedroom right now. So large windows, the bed. We don't have a frame yet. We're trying to decide what we want to do.
Your closet.
It's really nasty in there because I haven't unpacked. Like, I have a lot of clothes, but that's gonna be cute when I get it all done. And then, so I have a lot of closet space. We're still obviously getting situated and getting it all organized, but then we have like a little cabinet. So yeah, don't mind that. Let's just get out of there. I forgot one thing. We got these online at Macy's. So, we're getting there, we're getting there. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store. Basic needs that we've needed were a bunch of snack foods as of right now to like get a hang of what we want to have for snacks and a cheap alternative and stuff. So I'll do a full pantry video once we get like everything that we actually are gonna have consistently. But we just got some organic ground beef. We got the 85/15. I love mayonnaise, so it's like the only condiment I use. We got spinach. Bailey uses ketchup, so I got some ketchup. I got some onion powder, ground paprika, garlic powder, cinnamon. 2 cinnamons because I go through cinnamon a lot. I really like cinnamon. And pink Himalayan salt. So I'm gonna get cooking and I'll talk to you guys soon.